In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up and cancel standing orders whenever you wanted to. Now, take note, this video is not being sponsored by BSP. I'm just doing this video based on my personal experiences and what I usually do. BSP customers, you may know that previously when we wanted to do standing orders, we usually go to the bank and ask the banking staff to help us set it up for us. But recently, BSP just upgraded its system, its new FlexCube core system that enables us to do these things at the palm of our hands. So stay with me in this video and watch till the end. By the end of this video, I hope you should be able to set up and cancel your own standing orders whenever or wherever you wanted to. Go to Google and type BSP Internet Banking. BSP Internet Banking, and then search, and where it says personal internet banking, click that writing, and you are now in BSP's website. At the top right hand corner where it says login, you click the login, and then you see where it says internet banking with a green highlighter at the background. You click that writing, and then you enter your username and password here. As for me, that's my username, and my password. And I click login, and I am now in my account. Okay, at the bottom where it says home, trends, quick access, and payments, we're gonna click payments, and you can see there's a whole lot of services listed here, but we are gonna choose the second last service where it says set up standing instruction. So click that writing, and you are now about to set up your standing orders. Okay, you see where it says pay, please select. Okay, you see the letter V sign here, you tap this one, and this is the whole list of the people that I have in my account. And let's say I am a tenant and I'm renting a room from a landlord and I'm sleeping in it. So I made an agreement that I'm gonna set up a standing order with the landlord. So every fortnight I'm gonna send him 250 kina for the rent. So let's say the landlord's name is Numbat. Okay, I'll select Numbat. So you see, these are the account details of the landlord. Okay, this section where it says financial details, this is the financial details of my account. Okay, funds transfer from, this is my account. As you can see, that's my nickname written beside my account, and I said I'm gonna transfer him 250 kina. So I write the figure here, and then start date. Let's say I inspected the room this week and I'm gonna be staying at the new rent room next week on the 5th of March. So I'm gonna select here, and I'll select fortnightly because I'm gonna rent the room on a fortnightly basis. So fortnightly starting date is 5th of March. So I'll go to March 5th, that's next week Wednesday. I'll move to that new room, and I'm gonna be staying for here, and I'll be leaving the room on 31st or 1st of December, let's say 1st of December. So I'll select December 1st. You see, that's the duration of my rent that I'll be renting the room. I'll be moving to the new building on next week Wednesday, which is 5th of March, and I'll be staying there until the 1st of December, and I'll be leaving the area. I have made an agreement with the landlord that I'm gonna pay him 250 kina on a fortnightly basis. So you see all the standing order, I have set it up already. Okay, now I'll come down to the bottom part where it says setup. I'll just select setup, and now this is a preview of all the settings or the standing order that I have set. You see, it says you initiated a request for domestic transfer, meaning that the landlord has a account with another bank, and me as a BSP customer will do transfer from my account to the landlord's account in another bank. So it says domestic transfer. If the landlord has a BSP account and I were to send the rent money to his BSP account, as you can see here, it will say internal transfer. You have initiated a request for internal transfer. That means BSP to BSP. Alright, that's a little explanation between sending money from a BSP account to another bank and sending money from a BSP account to a BSP account. Alright, let's proceed. So I'll click confirm after reviewing the standing order that I've just created. I confirm, and there will be a one-time password sent to the phone number that I've registered for the internet banking. So I'll have to go back to my message to get the one-time password and enter it here. The same password will also be sent to my email, which I have registered with the internet banking. Okay, I'll enter my one-time verification code here now. 89580. So this is my one-time verification code. After I entered it here, I'll click submit. And as you can see, I have already created a standing order. It says your request has been accepted. Reference number, this is the reference number of the standing order that I have just created. Okay, to confirm it, we'll click payments again on below right, and the last option where it says view standing instructions, I'll click this one, and you see 250 kina is already listed here. So that's how you can set up a standing order using the BSP Internet service. Okay, now in order for you to remove the standing order, you see the three dots on your right hand side. You'll just select it, and where it says stop, you click stop, and this is the preview of the standing order that you've just created. After confirming it, you then click stop, and you see there's a pop-up message up here where it says, are you sure you want to stop repeat transfer? And then you click stop. There'll be another verification code sent again to your phone or email for you to enter and submit to confirm this stop that you want to do with your standing order. Okay, after entering this verification code, I then click submit. And as you can see here, it says your request has been accepted, meaning that your request to cancel the standing order has been accepted by BSP and you have successfully canceled your standing order. This is how you basically can set up and cancel standing orders online using BSP Internet Banking service.